Hello, I am Ms. Pallavi Patil, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department from Sharadi Institute of Technology, College of Engineering at Draw Ichhalkaranji. Today we will discuss about the different power quality issues, their causes and effects. First of all, we have to see what is the power quality. Power quality is the reliability of the electricity supply in terms of voltage, frequency and waveform. It is a key factor in the proper functioning of electrical system and equipments. Then what is the power quality problems? A power quality problem is a deviation in the voltage, current and frequency of electrical supply that can damage the equipment or cause it to the malfunction. Then we will going to see the different power quality issues. According to their duration of occurrence, there are mainly two types of power quality issues: short duration and long duration. Short duration, it includes the voltage sag, voltage swell, voltage imbalance, interruption, voltage spikes. And long duration includes the voltage under voltage and over voltage. And last one is a harmonic distortion. The most power quality issue is a voltage sag. Then what is the voltage sag? The decrease in voltage is called as a voltage sag. Decrease or dip in voltage is called as a voltage sag. The decrease of the normal voltage level between 10 to 90% of the nominal RMS voltage at the power frequency for the duration of 0.5 cycle to 1 minute is called as a voltage sag. Voltage sag occurs due to the faults on transmission or distribution networks, faults in the consumers installations, connection of heavy loads and startup of the large motors. Okay, at the starting of the heavy loads, large motors, the sag can be occur. Then voltage sag can occur at the utility system or industrial plants. The consequences or effects of the voltage sag are the malfunction of the information technology equipment, namely as a microprocessor based control systems, PLCs, ASDs, etc., that may lead to a process stoppage. Then next is a tripping of contactors and electromechanical relays. Next is a disconnection of loss of efficiency in the electric rotating machines. We can see the voltage sag, the waveform of voltage sag. Okay. The nominal voltage sag means the decrease in voltage than the nominal voltage. We can see the image in the PPT. Next power quality issue is a voltage swell. Voltage swell means the increase in voltage, momentary increase in voltage at the power frequency, okay, outside the normal tolerance for the duration of more than one cycle or typically less than the few seconds is called as a voltage sag. Voltage sag occurs due to the start or stop of heavy loads, then badly regulated transformers, or due to the during of peak hours the voltage swell can occur. The effects of voltage sags are data loss, flickering of lighting and screens, stoppage or damage of the sensitive equipments. The next power quality issue is a voltage fluctuation. Voltage fluctuation means oscillation of voltage value, amplitude by the signal with frequency of 0 to 30 Hz. Okay, then voltage fluctuation occurs due to the arc furnace frequency start or stop of electrical frequent start or stop of electric motors, oscillating loads. Due to the oscillating loads, voltage fluctuation can occur. The different effects of voltage fluctuations are most consequences are common to under voltage. Then next, the most consequent is the flaring of the lighting and screens. giving the impression of underlines of the visual perceptions. Then next power quality problem is a notch. Notch is a condition when magnitude of voltage decreases towards zero for a short period of time, usually in microseconds. Its duration is for few microseconds. Causes of notch are utility switching operations. During the utility switching operations, during the starting and stopping of equipments or machinery, or during the static discharges, lightning. In these events, the notch can be occurs. The consequences of the notch are the processing errors, data loss, or burn of circuit boards. The waveform for notch we can see in this diagram. The next is a noise. What is the noise? Noise is a power quality. Noise is an unwanted high frequency electrical signal that can disrupt the equipment. The different causes of the noise are electromagnetic interference, then due to the television diffusions, radiation due to the welding machines, arc furnaces, and electronic equipments. Then improper grounding may also be the cause for the noise. The different consequences of the noise are disturbance on the sensitive electronic equipment, then it may cause the data loss or data processing errors. Next power quality problem is the interruption. Okay, the voltage interruption is a significant drop in voltage or a complete loss of voltage. Then according to their duration of occurrence, there are mainly two types of interruption: momentary interruptions, that is very short interruptions, and long interruptions. Short interruptions, that is momentary interruptions, it planned or accidental power loss, complete power loss. It occurs for millisecond to 1 or 2 seconds. The causes of momentary interruptions are the switching operations attempting to isolate an electrical problem and maintain the power to your area. Then another cause of the short interruptions are the mainly due to the opening and automatic reclose of the protective devices. And next one is the insulation failure, lightning, and insulator flashover. Due to these events, the voltage interruption can be occurs. The different effects of the voltage interruptions are equipment trip off, programming is lost, or disk drive crashes. Then next the voltage you can see the diagram for momentary interruption in this PPT. Next power quality problem is a long-term interruption. Long interruption of the electrical supply for duration greater than 1 or 2 seconds. It causes due to the equipment failure in the power quality networks, or storms and objects, that is trees or cars striking line or poles, then fire, human errors, bad conditions, coordination of or failure of the protective devices. These are the different causes for long interruption. Then the consequences, that is effect of long interruption, is the stoppage of all the equipments. The next is a over voltage and under voltage. Over voltage and under voltage. And under voltage is a decrease in RMS AC voltage to less than 90% at the power frequency for duration longer than 1 minute. Under voltage and over voltage comes under the long duration voltage variation. The causes of under voltage and over voltage are power system faults, equipment failures, control malfunction, or loose connections. Then next, last power quality issue is a power quality harmonic distortion. Harmonic distortion means an alteration of the pure sine wave due to the non-linear loads on the power supply. It causes of the harmonic distortions are the non-linear loads, electronics, non-linear loads. Effects of the harmonic distortions are it badly affects on the motors, transformers, or it can overheat the transformers, wiring system, etc. Okay, these are the different power quality issues. Their description, their duration, causes, effects, etc. Thank you.